What up, YouTube? This is Mechanic of God. I have a Toyota I got for 1999, I believe it is. It's a 1998 Toyota I got for from auction, and I would like to show you how this car look like for now. The spindle, as we see, the spindle is crooked. I have to change the spindle on this, and I have to paint the whole car. We have some dent over there. I'm grinding it already. Dent over here too. Already grinding it. So as I show you, I remove the tail light just to make sure, and I remove that cover, just a cover it's a Phillips screwdriver, and I push it out from here, guys. I already make some holes on it, but this side doesn't need that much to just pull it. You can just remove the cover from inside and push it out. And I'm sharing it with you just to show you guys how this car look like right now, and when I'm done, how it's gonna look like when I'm done. You see this one here, I'm gonna change that one. Gotta be changed. This side is okay, but I still got to paint all the cars. See, that's the clear start coming off, like I told you about my other video, guys. So this is the way that the car look right now. And let me open the hood to show you guys. That's another radiator that I put on this car, and that other radiator that I add on, and the new condenser, as we see here, where the hose plug, you know, when you put the hose, the top hose on the radiator, as we see here, when I move it, it touch right here, it touch right there, guys. You see? So that means whoever had this car, the car hit from the driver's side to the passenger side. So that's why I have to make sure I pull this one to go to the driver's side. So I have to pull this to goes to the driver's side. So whoever had this car had an accident, or whoever fixed it, they don't fix it properly, because the driver's side goes to the passenger side. As I look, the fender, the bumper cover is fine. It just the top here, whoever fixed this car, I don't know what they done to it. And this side go to the passenger side, so I had to pull this one back to his spot. So he had to go back to his place right now. So when I'm done, I'm gonna put bundle on the back and the rear door, as we see, the back and the rear door. And when I'm ready, I'm gonna pull this one back to the driver's side. So which is, you know, it's a big job, guys. See how the clear coming off. So it's an old car, but it's real good. They're good on gas, guys. Really good on gas. It's a Toyota RAV4 1998. Here I'm gonna put Bondo here, there, and here. So all this gonna have Bondo on them. So make sure that you drill holes on this, because when the bundle goes to it, so it can hook inside those holes. So don't ever just put bundle on them without putting holes on those things, because after a little while it's gonna cracking up, and we don't need that. But when you put holes on them and the bundle goes to it, it will hold inside whatever that going on, that bundle won't crack. So that's why I always make sure I put hole on doors. This one is small, and here too, because you know the door always open and close, so we have to do it. That's another door has receipt. It has different molding on it, so just gonna put some bundle and make this car brand new, guys. Brand new. When I'm done, I'll show you how this car gonna look like, guys. See, I have another one here, which is when I'm done with this one, I'll take care of this one. All right, guys. This is 1998 Toyota RAV4. Walk on Toyota RAV4, guys. My last video was Honda Ridgeline, and this one is a RAV4. So with this one, we have to pull it back to this place. So when you pull it back to the place, when you pull it back, and this hose can go in that radiator, because it's not on the right spot. Okay, guys, it's been a Mechanic of God, PJ, and please give me a thumbs up, share my video, guys, and comment. You know, just I'll be happy to receive all those appreciation. Okay, guys, thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.